Ninja has been on an absolute release spree lately, dropping everything from coffee makers to outdoor pizza ovens. In this video, we're breaking down 15 of their newest and most talked about gadgets, covering exactly what each one does and why people are buying it. Every single product link is right below in the description, so let's get straight into it. Ceramic Cookware Set. Ninja's ceramic cookware lineup is their answer to brands like Caraway and Our Place, minus the huge price tag. The ceramic wok coating is designed to stay non-stick for years longer than typical ceramic pans, and everything is completely free of PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Sets range from 9 to 14 pieces, including fry pans, saucepans, and a stock pot, all oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with every stovetop, including induction. Prices vary depending on set size, running anywhere from about $130 up to $300. Double Stack XL Air Fryer. Cooking for a big family and tired of doing multiple air fryer batches? The Ninja Double Stack XL stacks two 5-quart baskets on top of each other instead of side by side, so you get 10 quarts of capacity without eating up your whole counter. It can cook 4 different foods at once using Smart Finish and Match Cook, and it's 40% slimmer than a typical 2-basket air fryer. It'll fit 2 5-pound chickens at the same time. Usually priced between $210 and $250, it's a serious space saver for anyone who air fries daily. Frostvault Backpack Cooler. Forget soggy sandwiches sitting in melted ice. The Ninja Frostvault Backpack Cooler has 2 separate compartments. One keeps your drinks ice cold for up to 24 hours, and a dry zone underneath keeps your food chilled without ever touching water. It holds up to 24 cans, comes with a built-in bottle opener, padded backpack straps, and 2 reusable ice packs included. It's become a viral pick for beach days, hikes, and tailgates. Regularly priced around $199, but Amazon deals often drop it closer to $100 to $150. Pods and Grounds Coffee Maker. If you're stuck choosing between a Keurig and a real coffee maker, Ninja just solved that problem. The Pods and Grounds Coffee Maker lets you brew with K-cups or your own grounds, switching automatically between the two. You get up to 7 brew sizes from a tiny 6-ounce cup to a full 24-ounce travel mug, plus a built-in milk frother for lattes and cappuccinos. It even has an over-ice setting for cold brew lovers. Priced around $100 to $130 depending on the sale, it's genuinely one of the most versatile, budget coffee makers Ninja has made. Ninja Blender and Smoothie Bowl Maker. This one's for the smoothie bowl crowd. The Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker uses one 1200-watt motor base that switches between a nutrient extraction cup for drinkable smoothies and a dedicated bowl attachment with a built-in tamper for thick, spoonable bowls. The Smart Torque and Hybrid Edge blades are built to power through frozen fruit without stalling, so you get that thick, Instagram-worthy texture without adding extra liquid. Everything is dishwasher safe and BPA-free. It's usually priced in the $70 to $100 range. Ninja Never Clog Juicer. Most juicers clog up halfway through a batch of kale, but Ninja's Never Clog Cold Press Juicer is built to power through fibrous fruits and veggies without stopping. It uses a high-torque auger at low speed to extract more juice and less pulp, and you get 2 interchangeable filters so you can choose how much pulp you want. It comes with a 24-ounce juice jug and a 36-ounce pulp container for bigger batches, and every part that touches juice is dishwasher safe. Typically priced around $130, though it regularly drops closer to $100. Blast Portable.
For smoothies on the go, the Ninja Blast portable blender ditches the cord entirely. It's an 18-ounce vessel with a rechargeable USB-C base that gives you up to 15 blends per charge, and the Blast blade assembly is strong enough to crush ice and frozen fruit, not just soft ingredients. There's a leak-proof sip lid so you can blend and drink from the same cup, plus a carrying handle for the gym or your car. Everything is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. It's one of Ninja's most affordable gadgets, usually priced between $50 and $70.
Luxe Espresso Machine. Ninja's Luxe Cafe line is their answer to expensive bean-to-cup espresso machines. It's a 3-in-1 system that pulls espresso shots, brews drip coffee, and makes cold brew, all with a built-in grinder, so you're working with fresh beans every time. The hands-free milk frother handles lattes and cappuccinos automatically, and there's an assisted tamper, so you don't need barista experience to get a good shot. It comes in stainless steel and a few other finishes. Depending on the exact model, it typically runs between $300 and $400. Ninja 9-cup food processor. Chopping, slicing, shredding, and kneading dough all in one bowl. That's the pitch behind Ninja's Professional Plus food processor. The 9-cup bowl handles everything from a few cloves of garlic to a full batch of ingredients for a big family dinner, powered by a 1,000-watt motor with 4 Auto IQ preset programs. It can knead up to 2 pounds of dough in under 30 seconds, which is a huge time saver if you bake regularly. All the parts are dishwasher safe too. Prices typically range from about $80 to $130, depending on retail or in sale. Sizzle Pro XL Griddle. Ninja's Sizzle Pro XL turns your kitchen counter into a smash burger station or a full breakfast spread. It comes with interchangeable 20-inch griddle and grill plates, big enough to handle 10 or more burgers or breakfast for up to 10 people. The Pro Temp IQ system gives you precise temperature control from 250 to 500 degrees, and the ventilated lid cuts down on smoke and grease splatter. Ceramic non-stick plates make cleanup easy, and everything is PFAS-free. It usually runs around $170 to $200, depending on the retailer. Ninja Combi All-in-One Multicooker. The Ninja Combi is trying to replace up to 16 kitchen appliances with one machine. It combines superheated steam with air frying at the same time, so proteins stay juicy on the inside while getting crispy on the outside. And it can cook a full meal for 8 people in about 15 minutes. It even goes from frozen to fully cooked in under 30 minutes without defrosting first. With 14 functions, including bake, roast, slow cook, and sous vide, it's a serious space saver. It's typically priced between $180 and $230. Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. The Ninja Foodi Smart brings real indoor grilling to your kitchen counter, hitting 500 degrees with cyclonic grilling technology for actual sear marks without firing up a propane grill. It has a built-in smart thermometer with 4 protein settings and 9 doneness levels, so it tells you exactly when your steak or chicken is ready. The grill grate fits up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs at once, and it also air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates. It usually runs between $200 and $280, depending on the deal. Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System. This one's for people who can't decide between coffee and tea in the morning. The Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System has separate brew baskets for coffee and tea, 5 brew styles, and 6 brew sizes, all powered by advanced thermal flavor extraction, so nothing tastes watered down even over ice. It comes with a 50-ounce double-walled thermal carafe that keeps drinks hot or cold without a warming place, plus a built-in frother for lattes. Nearly every part is dishwasher safe. It's generally priced in the $150 to $200 range.
Ninja Precision Kettle. Making the perfect cup of tea is all about water temperature. And Ninja's precision temperature kettle takes the guesswork out completely. It has 7 one-touch presets for different teas and coffee, plus manual temperature control if you want to dial in something specific. It can boil a single cup in about 90 seconds, and the hold temperature setting keeps your water at the right heat for up to 30 minutes. With a 7-cup capacity and an illuminated display showing live temperature readings, it's usually priced between $70 and $90.
Ninja EverClad Fry Pan. For anyone who wants restaurant-style searing without switching to cast iron, the Ninja EverClad Fry Pan is tri-ply stainless steel with an aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of steel. That means no warping, no hot spots, and heat that distributes evenly across the whole pan. It's oven-safe up to 600 degrees and works on every stovetop, including induction. You can get it in a 10¼ inch or 12-inch size individually or as part of a bigger EverClad set. Individual pans typically run between $40 and $70.